Hello guys! Today, after cleaning my room, I found my old PlayStation 4 in one corner of the room, and I was still wondering if it still works because I haven't used it for 2 years right now, so the controllers weren't charged for 2 years, and I really hope the battery is still intact, and I really hope everything still works fine. That's why I created this video to test if the PlayStation is still well after 2 years of not using it. Because I sold my old television, I will attach the PlayStation to my computer monitor and test if controller battery life and PlayStation is still working fine. There's only one thing I shouldn't say, but I should because I'm filming this video. My PlayStation 4 is unlocked. So don't tell me out, okay? So here's our PlayStation 4, which we will be testing right now. You can see we have power supply cable, which I will plug it in right now. And we do have HDMI cable, which will go into a monitor. So let's do that. The PlayStation is all set up right now, so we can turn it on and see if it works. Anything? We can see the PlayStation logo, so this is great sign. So the PlayStation still works fine. We will now try to connect one of the controllers to see if the battery is still intact and how quickly does it empty. So we must press the PS button. So we can see we have some problems with battery on this one. So the thing is, you should charge battery from time to time because you destroy the battery by not charging. I know, I should charge the controllers. Let us try another controller. This one seems to work fine. We can see we have full battery right now. In the meantime, we will try to charge this first controller again to see if perhaps charging was bad or the battery is dead. So we plug it in with the right hardware. Let us try if the PlayStation works fine. I do think I have to do some steps before I can actually play the games. I have to unlock it because it's jailbreak, so user GUID, I select this one here and I click in, and then okay.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So right now I have to connect it to Wi-Fi to jailbreak it, so this will be speed up in the video. So let's try again. The problem is because we weren't connected to Wi-Fi, so I reset the PlayStation 4. Now we'll try to jailbreak it again. So as you saw in the video, I was really dumb because I haven't charged my controllers for too long, and now one of the controllers died out because battery can't be charged anymore. So this is the first thing: charge your controllers from time to time, even if you're not using your PlayStation. And the second thing is that my jailbreak stopped working. I don't know yet why exactly, but I do think it has something to do about these server configurations, so I will probably have to update this. But overall the PlayStation works fine, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to see more similar videos, please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.